Hello everyone. So today I'm going to present a video presentation on my internship project, which is I have completed in Webstack Academy. So first of all, let me introduce myself. So my name is Ashish Datta and I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal. Right now I'm in Bangalore completing my BTech from JN University. Currently I'm in my fourth year, 8th semester. So let's start this presentation with let me present my screen. Yes. So name of this project is HomelyHub project, which is intensive project which I am completing in Webstack Academy. Let's see the table of contents. So in this table of contents, we have the introduction page, then these technologies we are using in this in this web in this intensive project is the HTML, then CSS, JavaScript, Foundation, and React JS is also there. Then after this we are going to see these features of this project. Then the challenges we I'm facing some facing, and also this solution type of solution is also there. Then after seeing after this we are going to see the demonstration of this web page. Then after this the conclusion page is also there. So let's start with this introduction page. So first of all, welcome you all to this video presentation of HomelyHub website project, which is the internship project in at this web Webstack Academy. So let's dive into this project. And so let me tell you that this HomelyHub project is based on the real estate platform, where we can simply listed our properties, and also rent. Also, we are mm, s- 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 also we are rent some of these properties based on that. There here we seeing some of this technology we are using, like the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React JS also there, and then many things. So first of all, see that first technology is the HTML. So HTML, the full form of the HTML is the hypertext markup language. HTML is also known for the structural structural form of the web page, which is provided in the user side or the client side. So it is earlier I discussed about this the form, this structure form. So it contains with the header part, then the main content, then after that the footer component was there. Next, talk about some of the key points of this HTML. So first of all, the header part. So header part is for the branding, where we can insert the logo of our web page. Then the navigation page or navigation things also there. Then after this header portion, the main our main component is also there. um, then after the in this main component, the listing of these properties also we are going to see. And after this main component, the in this in the bottom part we have the footer component, which is additional the navigation part and also the contact details of the website. The next is where we are using this HTML. So HTML benefits is also there. So it's HTML is improves our accessibility over the website, and also improve the search engine optimization is also there for the both the developers and also the search engines. Next technology which are we are using, that the CSS. So CSS, the full form of the CSS is cascading style sheet. So it's actually enhance our visual presentation of the website. It's also the coloring of this, how it's look to this user so much attractive and valuable. So this is the all this is controlled by the CSS. In this CSS file we have some of the elements like it's called a grid layout is there, some tiny boxes elements we are using using. So this is called a grid component or the flexbox components. This also using in CSS. And beside this we have the color plate option is there. So in color plate we can choose the different type of colors for example, if we taking some example of buttons or something like that. So this button colors is also there. So this is defined by the color palette. So in CSS we have many frameworks and also the also called as the P processors. So frameworks like the Tailwind CSS is there, which is the CSS framework for the using more CSS properties more efficiently within the low number of the lines of code is small. The next technology is the JavaScript. So JavaScript is actually it adds the dynamic functionality to our web page, the Homely in our project like the Homely. So it's interactive with this with our HTML component, and also the also its real-time updates also is possible through this JavaScript. In JavaScript, we have the event handling, DOM manipulation is there, form validation also is there. So first of all, the event handling. So in this JavaScript functionality, we integrating some of the specific actions based on the how we something like click a button. We have that some functionalities or is there that some new web pages also come out and something like that. Scrolls option also there. Input events also comes under this event handling part. Next thing is the DOM manipulation. So in this JavaScript dynamic update contents, we can without reloading a web page, we something by inserting this DOM manipulation, with the seamless user experience we can build up. Next thing is the form validations. So JavaScript performs some client-side validations and also providing some of the feedbacks to the user, and also it's um, feedbacks like the input like the wrong inputs also there, or the error if occurring, then it showing the error that some errors is occurred due to some of the input errors. If the client if the clients enter some of the irrelevant information to the input side, then it's getting some of the errors, and it's showing this error to the user. Next technology we are using that the React.js. So it is utilize this React components based on the UI development and the management to the our web page. So in this React page, we implementing some this JSX syntax is also implementing for this React component, and this React component, it's combining of the two technologies like the HTML and the JavaScript. So mix of these two combining of these two technologies, we React actually implemented. So now talk about some benefits why we are using this React component in this project. So so the first of all is the reusability of this function, that we can simply reuse our code, the modular code, and insert this functionality in many of the places. Just simply just update in one page, and it's automatically updated to all these web pages. So this type of functionalities we can get using this React. React also provide us the state management properties, and also enhance this web page performance by using this React. Now take now I'm going to tell out this project, some of the project features we are using in this HomelyHub project. So first of all, we can see the list of property listing properties we are listing in this. So based on that, we can implementing some of the searching, then the filtering process, and then the sorting option, sorting option for the better and easy browsing option for the user. Next thing is the user authentication process. So it's actually secret the user authentication, and which actually allows the user to register in this page, and all register in this page web page based on that. So this is the user authentication process. After that, we are also integrate some of the external APIs, which is also known as the application programming interfaces. So based on that, we actually enhance our functionality and also the data, which is additionally implementing in the many of these services. Just calling the APIs functionality, we can implementing this data into our the website in this defined process. So this is the map guide done. uh, Next thing is the challenges been building this project. We are going say I have to facing the many of the challenges, the complex feature of the integration of user authentication, and also there's API external API implementations. So this the complex integration process also is the challenging process. The next challenge I have facing that the cross browser complexity and the responsiveness. So this type of capability and the challenge actually I faced during my implementation of this project. Next challenge I have faced that the effective state management within the React component components. So this is the challenge, challenging things which I have faced during this building this project. So yeah, so based on these challenges, we we are implementing some of the solutions which we can simply provided that utilize authentication libraries. We using that to yeah, to this complex integration process, authentication process, make it easier a little bit. So based on that, we are implementing the authentication libraries, and also the multiple testing options also there. Then after that, next second solution is there that the employed some of the CSS media queries is there, and also the texting methodologies is also there. So based on that, we can solve this problem, like the cross browser capabilities and responsiveness. Next, for the third challenge, we actually provided this implementation state process solutions like the React context and the Redux to improve this the state management challenge or the process. So yes, this is the solution we have actually taking for this to compare this so remove these challenges. Okay, next thing is the demonstration. Now we are going to the let me show my VS Code. Yes, so in this VS Code we have the two files. One file is the front end file. This is the my backend file, and this is my database file. All the databases properties is also there. So in the backend file, we have the controllers like models, uh, the API which I have earlier talking about this API. So API integration is there. So in this backend process, in my front end file, we have the source file. In the source file, I build this component file. Next thing is the next is a user file, and also this including the CSS properties. So we can just simply providing some CSS stylings is there. Next file is the store file, which we are add some accommodation is there. Booking file is there. User file is there, right? Then the app.js. So this is my actually main page of this application, and also the package.json. So this is the package.json file where we are in how many packages we are implementing. We can see that. So first run this application, right? So first of all, run this application. We have to run our backend first, then our front end. So let me type. Let's run start. Npm start. Yes. Now you can see that our backend is running. Yeah. Right. Next is we have to run our front end. So same command npm start. Enter. Yeah. Front end start. Yes, it also started. Let yeah. Yes, it started. Okay. So yes, it's starting our deployment server. Yeah. Deployment server. Yes. Okay. It's loading. Yeah. So this is our main page of the HomelyHub project, where we can see this is the header component. So in this header component, we have the search component, then the filter component, and this account information. And this is our main component where the list of this property list is there. Yeah. And this is my footer component where we can see some of the copyright, privacy, component details, right? If etc. If I click this property, yeah, we can see the name of the property first. Then after that, the address of this property. Then we are seeing some of the images of this property. By just clicking this gallery option, we can see some more images. Yeah, images is there. Okay, like after these images, I have seen that the description of this property is there. Then this is the main thing. Maximum number of guests is 10. So maximum 10 number of guests are allowed in this property, which they actually accommodate. So after that, they this type of amenities is there, like the kitchen option, free parking, Wi-Fi is also available is there. Next, if I scroll down, then we can see the live map option is also there. Just then maps on the there, and the extra information also this is there. If I scroll up, then it can see that we can just book this place by clicking the start date. Let me choose the start date, like the today date, and for 2 days I am booking. Number of guesses, number of guests, yes, the maximum number of guests is 10 for this particular property. If so, not more than 10 is not allowed. Actually they can accommodate only 10 members. So name of my full name, okay. Phone number is here, okay. And click on the book the place. Yes, this after this clicking this booking page, then it's directly going to the payment option. So it's told me to enter the card number. My card number is the CVC number. Click this pay option. Yeah, this see that from, yeah, it's actually booked. In my booking section is show that this price of this booking. Yeah, if I click that, then it's coming up like that. Name of this property, address of this property, then the booking information, like the 2 nights it's booked from the 3rd of April to 5th of April. Next here they show me the total price, how much we have to pay, and here also the images of this property. If I click on this gallery, and also it's show me the list of the images. If I going back to my home page, then simply click on the logo. Yeah, it directly jump back to my property. So let's see some of the destination by searching this option. If I search by the name of the destination is like Goa, and start date if I taking 3rd, and end date if I taking 5th. Number of guests I think 3, and click on this search again. Then based on this user search option, then they show me the two of these property which are accordingly variable according to my search. So these two properties is also there based on my search option. So this only there. Next thing is the this filter option. So filter option is also there. Just clicking on this filter icon, we can set the price range, how much we have budget we have done, like the price range we can just increase price like this one. And property types is also there. If I click on the house, house type of properties is there, flat there, guest house type of property, hotel is also there. And then we can choose the room type, like enter we have room, or the simply room, or any type of room. The amenities, we can also see some amenities, like if we want some Wi-Fi, AC, TV, kitchen, washing machine, this also. So just click on the apply filters. Okay, I don't have this. let me show properties like this price range. Okay, that's amenities and also there, and click on apply. Okay, this much of properties is also not, amenities also not there, so just simply click. So yeah, based on that we have get one property which are accordingly, so like this one property, and based on that also book this property by going this option. Just is we have to getting the start date, and then we have end date, then number of guests. So we also the maximum guest is here the 4, then we have to less than 4 or equal to 4, we can simply 4, and then next click on the book this place, click on number, card number, my card number. Okay, expiry date. Okay, let me take my 6. Yeah, just click on the pay button, then yeah, here this properties is booked. Price is 13,500 rupees for booking for the 3 nights from 3rd of April to 6th April. Now we can see the photos. If we click this gallery, then we can see the photos of this property. Okay, let me close this property. Yeah, here we also, let me go to my main screen. Yeah, here in this my account section, we have seen that the account details, like my profile and like this user photo, then name of the user, email address and phone number. So if I click on this edit profile thing, then we can edit our profile. If we want to change my phone number, then just simply we can change it. Click on update, so it's showing pop-ups, pop-up is there, that profile update successfully. Also we can also change the password by clicking this icon. Okay, yeah, booking is also there, and my accommodation, we can back to my list, back to my presentation here. Let me present my screen. Okay, so we can see that the demonstration of this video. Next, let's conclude all things. So first of all, the achievements of this project. So reflects this accomplishment and the milestone we have actually reached during this during this HomelyHub project development. Learning journey is also there, that highlight the project has been contributed to my personal and professional growth to myself developer. Gratitude during this project I may experiences and the mentors, team members from the Webstack Academy, they actually guide me and support me through this internship. excitement, yeah, I actually very pretty much excited this project and also this internship, right? For and also also want to be again part of this. Alright, thank you. So actually, I actually thank you to my this teacher, my teacher, Richard sir, ma'am, and the director Jayas Kumar Saswami sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity to be to this internship, master internship in your Webstack Academy. Thank you.